Hi, in today's session, we are going to learn how to find a contract expiry date. Suppose you have a shop of 100 shops and you want to find which all are the shops contract is going to expire within next 90 days or within 30 days so that you can take necessary action to renew the contract. Another similar case can be those friends list. Suppose you have 100 friends, or if you are a manager, you want to find which all are the staff members birthday falls in next 1 week of time. So you want to make it automated in the Excel so that you don't have to go through the data each time. Instead, the Excel will help you to find those data. Suppose in this case, we are going through the contract. We got 5 shops and we already captured the expiry date of those 5 shops, and we can see the number of days to expire from today. Now we have two options. Now how we define the number of days to expire, in the sense when we want to take the action. Suppose this particular shop contract is going to expire within 30 days, so it's got highlighted. So how we define which one to get highlighted? We have the settings here. If I keep it as a 90, so those shops which contract going to expire within 90 days, it will get highlighted. If I change 10, notify before 10 days, so nothing is going to expire within the 10 days, so none of the shops is get highlighted here. If I put on 20, you can see this shop is going to expire within 20 days, so it's got highlighted. And we can even keep it 90. So if you have a big list, then you can just filter by color and select the color, so you can see only those shops. Now I'll come back, I'll select all, so I got everything. Now I'm lazy, I can't go for a filtering and all. I just want to get informed by a message which all are the shops going to expire. So you can just click on the button and it will show the following contract will expire soon. Shop A expires within 30 days, shop E expires within 90 days. Now I just change to 10, so there is no contract going to expire. Now you can see no contract expires within 10 days. So this is what we are going to build today. So let's take a new Excel, and we have shop name, we have expiry date, and we have number of days to expire. So shop, for easy purpose, I will call the copy the data from that side. So these are the data we already typed. Then we will change the format here. Go to the date, because many people will have a confusion when it comes to month and the date, because usually in Excel first will be month, second will be date. So let's avoid that confusion by keeping a month as a full format. So we made, so if we type here also, you can see it's getting completed. Now how to find the number of days to expire? So it's basically expiry date minus today. So let me copy. You might get confused why it is showing a big date. So again select, then press Ctrl+1 for the format, take as a general. So we got the number of days to expire here. Now we need to define a settings like this. Let me copy, there is no quotes basically. So we have the settings also, how many days to expire. So we need 90 days. Now let me format, bold, center, and give a color. Now I can give the filter here. For that I will use shortcut Ctrl+Shift+L. So I got the shift. Now I want to highlight the field. For that I'll select the area, then go to conditional formatting, highlight the cell, less than, then I want to highlight the cells which is less than this value, then I will click on OK. So yeah, we selected end here, that's why the below also showing, we want to avoid that. So manage rules, I will delete that rule. I'll select only the area, again less than 90 days. So we got highlighted it properly. So the first area is completed. Now we can see those which are going to expire. Now we are going to build a VBA function to find out that search option we are going to create. So go to the developer, insert a button, create a new function. So here, first thing, at present we have 5 data, tomorrow it can be 10, then bigger. So we need to find how many shop names are there. For that we will design the last row used is equal to sheet 1 dot cells of, so the row index will be sheet 1 dot rows dot count, and we want to find in a column dot end, means it's going to the last, means you can see sheet 1 dot cells of, so sheet 1 dot rows dot count, so it is counting the entire rows, how many rows are there we have used, you can see 6 here. Then in the A column only we are searching the data, then by end means it's going to reach here, then Excel up dot row. Excel up means how it going to work, from A column it's going to come to the last, from that it's going up. So exactly we got selected all the cells which we want, you can see 6 is the count. So let me test MSD box, last used row, you can see we got the 6 count. So tomorrow if there is another shop, then you can see it become 7. So we found the number of shops. Now next is we want to loop through the shops for I equal to 1 to last row used. So it will go from 1, 2, 3 and till the last shop used. Then we'll define initially expire dimension expire as string, which means we will capture all the shops which is going to expire under this string. Now we need to find, we will loop through each of these cells and find which all less than this value. For that, if cells of row will be I, because I will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, comma, column index will be here 1, 2, 3, 3 less than range of less than this particular one, so it is G2. So G2, then if it is less than, then we want expiry equal to expiry and cells of I, comma, we want to capture the shop name which is 1, and we'll write going to expire within, then we will capture the expiry date as well, cells of I, comma 3. And if we have another shop name, then we need to go through new line. So we will get captured everything here, then end if, next I. So this loop will go through from here till here and will capture if this condition is met. So once this loop completed, then we will write the next condition, if expiry not equal to blank means if there is no there are some contents or there are shops which are going to expire, then we'll write MSG box following shops contract is going to expire within, then we have expiry, VB new line, and we have expiry. Now else, suppose this there is no shop is going to expire, so the expiry will be blank. So else means here it is blank, then MSG box there are no shops contract going to expire within, and then we have a range of G2, that is the condition we have given within so and so day. So end if. Now let's go back and test. We can change the name here, search expiry. Now you can see following shops contract is going to expire within shop A. You can see shop A is going to expire, then shop E is also going to expire. Let's see the other condition by changing this contracts. So there is no shop going to expire. So you can see there are no shop going to expire within 90 days. I hope you understand. If there is any clarification, please comment.